Hi there, my name is Art, and I'm going to talk about the Tidbits Weekly Newspaper Business Opportunity. It's not a franchise, it is a business opportunity. The Tidbits is currently read by over 4 million readers in the USA. It's a newspaper, and it's distributed in local communities. It's distributed through restaurants, doctors' offices, and dozens of other retail locations, where, as a matter of fact, wherever they'll allow you to put out the paper, that's where you'll leave it. Now, the great thing with the Tidbits is they do it all for you. You don't have to do anything. You don't need any special skills. You don't need any special education. The newspaper Tidbits will lay it all out for you. The only thing you have to do is sell the advertising that goes in the paper and on the front and on the back. And people love the Tidbits because it's mixed with a lot of light-hearted news. And they look for the Tidbits. It's a great business opportunity, and it's one of the most low-cost businesses you could get into. And it's easy. It's easy because, number one, they're doing most of the hard work for you. Number two, it's easy to sell the advertising because you will be soliciting the businesses inside of the area, whereas you are distributing the paper. So if you distribute the paper in Kings County, all the businesses in Kings County are going to have interest in getting in your paper because you're going to be reaching all the households that are surrounding their business location. So they always have interest. It's just a matter of you signing them on. Now, the licenses for this business opportunity start at $8,500. Which is crazy cheap. Some of the other media franchises, the direct mail media franchises, are close to $100,000, but this one, $8,500. But that goes by population, and that's the minimum cost. So there's a good chance that your territory could possibly be 3 or 4 times that price. And it's not a franchise, so you don't pay royalties. Now this is a proven business model, and advertising is booming. And if you want to get into a business where the success rate is high, really high, this might be the business for you, the Tidbits. Now, on the same token, if you're broke, if you don't have $8,500 at a minimum, you can click on the top of this video is an annotation, and it will take you to a website where you will be able to see 12 tutorial videos on newspaper publishing and distributing. You will be able to learn how to produce your own newspaper and get into the newspaper business just like Tidbits without having to buy a license. Naturally, you cannot produce a Tidbits, but you can produce your own generic version. You can produce the BitTid, or whatever name you might want to call it. And there are thousands and thousands, approximately 25,000 independent publishers in the USA producing their own media from their own desktops in their own homes and succeeding. And the average publisher today earns $200,000. Now, I don't say you're going to be able to do it when you visit the website link. You will find the information there, but you will still have to do your due diligence. You will have to do your research, and you will have to be intelligent, because there's nobody laying it all out for you. Which is why, if you want it all done for you, then contact the Tidbits. And if you don't have money and you're willing to learn, then click the annotation at the top of the video, and you might have found the legitimate, proven business opportunity you've been looking for. Well, I hope that this business review has been helpful to you, and hopefully it'll be beneficial to you. My name is Arthur Gottlieb, and thank you for your time. Bye-bye.